Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching a quick unboxing and a feature overview of the newly launched Xiaomi's Mi Wireless Power Bank. This is the 10,000 mAh Qi certified power bank that comes with the wireless charging, and the major features include the 18-watt fast chargeable, the USB-A or the regular charging with the 18-watt output and input, and there's the 10-watt fast wireless charging, and along with that it's a two-way fast charging, so you can charge it 18 watt speed and also charge the other devices with the same speed. So the inputs that you see here are 5V3A, 9V2A or 12V 1.5A, and the wired output is at 5V 2.4A and 9V2A and 12V 1.5A. so by two standards you can reach 18 watt, and with the wireless output it's 10 watt max. And you can see that the MRP here is $26.99, though the power bank is being sold at $24.99. For me, frankly, the price is a bit on the higher end, but you don't have a lot of options from known brands. So obviously this should be one of the choices if you're looking for a wireless power bank for your smartphones like the iPhone, or for accessories like the Realme Buds Air that I have here to show you the demo of. And this is the quick start guide which shows you about the buttons, the standards and everything. And there are indicators for not just the battery charging or the battery status, but also for the wireless charging indication. And in the box you also get a USB type A to type C cable, and apart from that this is the actual power bank, which is the standard black color or the dark color. And it is a solid device. With most of the Xiaomi power banks it's the same feel and look. And this is the pad, the wireless charging pad, where you place the device for charging it wirelessly. And this is the top area where you have the USB type A port, USB type C port, and the charging indicator, the wireless charging indicator, and the button to show you the battery status. And this actually feels pretty solid with a 10,000 mAh capacity. It isn't that thicker or larger from the regular power bank. And this is the Realme Buds Air that we are charging, and it actually shows you the indicator that it is directly charging. You don't have to press any button. As soon as you place your device on the power bank or the wireless charging pad, it would start charging the device there. So this is the wireless charging of the Realme Buds Air that is happening, and you can see that the indicator on the top shows that it is wirelessly charging the device. And that's it. This was just a quick overview and unboxing of the newly launched Xiaomi Mi Wireless Power Bank, priced at $24.99, and this is quite a good power bank, but I feel the price should have been somewhere around 2,000 rupees. It's not in our control, but still this is my view. And there are quite a few other competitive brands, but not in India, so that's the only issue right now. And if you're looking at something that is well trusted and worthy of it, you should go with this one. So that's it in this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.